Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Sir. So friends, today in this lecture we'll study simple past tense. And if you have not seen my simple present tense lecture, check the link in the description. So let's start. So what is simple past tense? Simple past tense refers to action or activities which happened in the past time. So now we'll study the form of simple past tense in different sentences. So the first type of sentences is affirmative sentence or simple sentence. So if in an affirmative sentence, if the subject have second form of verb plus the object or action, then it is of simple past tense. The subject plus verb second form plus the object or action. So in this, the subject must have the verb second form. This is important, verb second form. For example, Ramesh went to school. Second is, we saw the Red Fort yesterday. So if you carefully see in both the sentences, the subject, in the first sentence the subject is Ramesh, and in the second sentence subject is we. They have verb second form. In the first sentence the verb is went and it has second form went, and the first form is go and second form is went, so it is of simple past tense. In second sentence you can see the verb has second form saw, the first form is see, so both sentences are of simple past tense. So in a negative sentence, if the subject have did not plus verb first form, then the plus object or action, then it is of simple past tense. If the subject have did not plus verb first form plus the object or action, then it is of simple past tense. So this negative sentence, the form of negative sentence is similar to affirmative sentence, but there are two differences, that we use did not and verb first form, because to make it a negative sentence we have to use did not and verb first form is used. So this is the difference, and the main thing is did not and verb first form is used, second form is not used in this. For example, Ramesh did not go to school. Second is, we did not go to Mathura. So in this, in both the sentence, the subject in the first sentence the subject is Ramesh, and in the second sentence the subject is we. So if you carefully see, the subject, which is Ramesh, have did not plus verb second form, verb first form. The first form is here, go, you can see, and in that affirmative sentence there is verb second form, and here you can see the verb first form is used. So this sentence is of negative sentence. It is a negative sentence and of simple past tense. And in the second sentence you can see the subject, which is we, have did not plus verb first form. Here you can see the verb first form is used, then the object or action, then so it is of simple past tense. Now we'll understand the form of interrogative sentence. So now we'll understand the form of simple past tense in interrogative sentence. So in an interrogative sentence, if the helping verb, which is did, is in the first, plus the subject plus the verb first form. Here is verb first form plus the object or action. So if this form is in a sentence, in an interrogative sentence, so it is of simple past tense. So the did, which is helping verb did, is in the first, plus subject plus verb first form, plus the object or action. So if this form is in an interrogative sentence, so it is of simple past tense. Now if the question words, which are like where, why and what, if these words are also in a sentence, so these words, then the did will be shift, the did will be in the second, and the help and these words, question words like where, it will come in the first, like where did and what did, like this. For example, first example is, did Ramesh go to school? So it is an interrogative sentence, so we can put the question mark. So you can see the second sentence also. Second sentence was, where did she live? Where did she live? So in both the sentence you can see, in the first sentence the did is in the first, plus the subject, which is Ramesh, plus verb first form. Verb first form is here, go. Verb first form, then the object or action, so it is of simple past tense. It is an interrogative sentence, it is of simple past tense. And in the second sentence you can see the question words like where. It is in the first, because I told you that if there is a question word, so the did will be shift in the second. The first word is where, the question word, then did, then the subject, which is she, then the verb, then the object or verb first form. So it is of simple past tense. If this form is in the sentence, so it is of simple past tense. So now we'll study. Till now we have studied the form of simple past tense in different sentences. So if a sentence is ending with ta tha, ti thi, te the, a, e, ye, so it is of simple past tense. Like Sita sent Thomas में पढ़ती थी. Sita sent Thomas में पढ़ती थी. So it is ending with ti thi. So it is of simple past tense. Another example is मैं कल कानपुर गया. So in this sentence it is ending with gaya, a. So it is of simple past tense. Now the one more important thing is that the simple past tense does not give the correct information about the completion of work or the work that is continued. Like Sita sent Thomas में पढ़ती थी. So in this sentence, it is not giving. It is of simple past tense and not giving the correct information about the completion of work. Like if we read it carefully, then we can see that पढ़ती थी. This work has been done. So it is. So this is important thing in simple past tense. Now you can see that the was and were are also used in simple past tense. Was and were. Was, were are also used in simple past tense. So I want to tell you the main house. The main house of was and were is past continuous. The main house is past continuous, but rarely they are used in simple past tense also. And the main helping verb is of simple past tense is did. Did is the main helping verb. For example, like we can take a sentence with was. For example, he was fatty. So in this sentence, was is used. So I want to tell you that was and were are used when there is no verb in a sentence. In this sentence, there is no action, no verb. That is why we have used helping verb. If in a sentence, if there is no verb, then we use helping verbs. Now the uses of was and were. Uses of was and were. So I've told you that the main house is past continuous, but they are used in simple past tense, and was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. Like was is also used with I also. Like I was happy and he was fatty. So in this sentence, so in both the sentence it is singular. That is why we have used was, and were is used with plural like they were and all. So this is the uses of was and were. I hope you liked my lecture, and please like my video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.